Hi, I'm Kevin Lawrence, also known as Coach Kevin to many people. My passion has been to help high-performing leaders, which is the space I work most, to both thrive and have an amazing career or build an amazing company and have a great life too. And that "and" in the middle is very challenging. Most people, either they have a great life and have a nice 9-to-5 job, or they build an amazing company or have a great career and destroy their life. So I've been passionate about this dichotomy. How do you have both? And for us, we're just trying to make sure that we help our people, that people have already made a choice to be great. That part they usually got handled. But it's helping them to learn the right disciplines for themselves to endure this thing called greatness. You do not achieve these things without serious scars and wounds. And we're the people that can help them. There's something called the coaching triads that I came up with where I coach executives, but in sync with the CEO. So let's say I was coaching Mike and Kevin was the CEO. We'd have a triad where there's a 20-minute feedback session every quarter. Because what I found, CEOs are horrible at giving feedback to their people.
But what perplexed me was, here's a guy who had it all. He had everything we didn't. He had fame, fortune, cars, mansions, his own airplane, all this amazing stuff. But somehow he decided it didn't work for him, so essentially he opted out. These are A players, ladies and gentlemen. These are the top of the top. They are so committed to whatever outcome. The kingdom is here. The capability is here. It destroys them. In normal times, they're okay. You go through a deal process to sell your business for $1 billion, that adds a lot, right? All these deals add a lot onto what you're doing, and it basically crushes what you're supposed to do. You should be selfless. You should put others first. You should be a servant leader. And you know what? There's some things about that are nice. I like the intent of servant leader, the essence of it. But if you were thinking that everyone else comes first and you come second, I'm sorry, you're in for a load of trouble. But for the rest, EQ is critical. The mastery to EQ is cleaning out your crap, cleaning out the things that you react to, cleaning out your emotional reactions, your outbursts, all those other things that we all have. So one of the principles in the chapter, I call it, is you need 14 Xers. You only take advice from people who have been there 14 times before. An entrepreneur who's scaled one business, their opinion's kind of cute. A guy that's done it 5 times, 7 times, 10 times, or a gal, now we start to listen to that. If you imagine all your best energy you have in a week or a month or a quarter, what percentage of it did you dedicate to work, to self, and to life? And another way of thinking about it would be an oxygen ratio. If you had an oxygen tank full of oxygen to use for your most important things, how much of your oxygen would you use for work? How much would you use for yourself? And how much would you use for your life?